Hello there, students. So, I'm going to start this video off with showing you what the finished product will probably look like. So, you have yourself your form, you have some rules, you have a number, and you have a couple of buttons. So, when I start this, and once it feels like loading, what you will wind up seeing is... Come on, load. There we go. So once it loads up, you'll see, oh, it'll pick a random number. And do you think the possible number will be higher or lower than whatever? So you know what, it's a 9. I'm going to guess it's probably going to be lower. And I was correct. Oh, but now it's a 3. Let me go and say if it's higher. Oh, I was correct again. You know what, let me see if it's going to be higher than 9. Obviously it's not going to be, but... And it says try again, so on and so forth. So you're going to make a number guessing game out of this. Now, with that being said, since I had people last week that seemed to do this and didn't realize it, I'm going to tell you what to do for the very beginning. So, when we start off, we're going to go with New Project. Now then, once the new project occurs, make sure you're in the Visual Basic Windows Form app. It's also going to ask you for a name. Now, my version just asks for a name. Yours will also probably ask for a location. The location is where you want to put this app. The name is what you're going to name your project / your form. That way, you don't have to worry about changing it from the get-go and potentially causing errors. So I'll name this one Example2, and I'll hit OK. Okay? And now it's creating Demonticchio Example2. And you already notice right up here, my name is already on my entire project file. Now, my form hasn't changed, but once again, I've done absolutely nothing else to this yet. I can still change this without worrying about screwing anything up. So I'll just put this as, my name or whatever. And as you can see, now we have everything, and it even says my name is right there. We're all good. Everything's fine. Now, when you finish everything, some people decided to save all and save as and then give me a zipped folder right at this step when there's absolutely nothing in it. No, this is for when you're done completing the entire assignment. So when your assignment looks like the finished product that I showed in the beginning, then you can go into File, Save All, and here it's even asking me where it's located now. So your version does this beforehand, my version does this after I save. But I'm making sure I'm putting this on my desktop so it's easiest to see. You probably want to keep it on your desktop as well, because then it'll be easier to see as well. So I'll save that. And then I'm going to, since it's already on my desktop, I just need to find where it is. There it is. I've got the entire thing inside it. And there we go. There's Example2. I need both these files. So both those files were already in this folder. So you don't have to go any further than this. Just right-click and zip this folder. Just zip that one thing. That's all you need to do, and send that zip folder through Moodle. Now, once again, you cannot zip a folder while the program is in use. So, make sure you've saved and closed out of this before you submit anything through Moodle. Now, with all that said, let's get started.